Hello, it's Monica again. I'll be your guide in our beginners courses section. Now we'll be talking about our classic beginners course. This course is designed for absolutely everyone. So you don't need any background in beauty, you don't need any background in eyelash extensions. All you need is the will to do something amazing for yourself and take a little bit of pleasure out of it. Our beginner classes are based on a bit of theory, which we concentrate on in the morning. Then you'll be practicing on your mannequin, all the techniques, and I'll show you exactly what to do. And in the afternoon, you'll get the chance to train on a live model. I invite you to check a whole list on our website of all the benefits and amazing things that will be included in your starter kit that will set you up for success. In our beginner classic course, you will learn how to apply eyelash extensions, what to do to set up your business, all the equipment that you need, and so much more. And ultimately, you'll get unlimited support from myself and other master trainers, which means you will never be alone. So this doesn't have to be a scary journey. It can be something amazing that you will transform into your own business, and that will help you get a better life and better career. So I invite you to checking out our courses, and if you have any questions, please get in touch. I'd like to share with you a few things that you will find amongst many other things in our starter pack. I'm sure you're wondering what these things are, and the lashes here, it all looks a bit unfamiliar. But in our courses that we designed ourselves, our bespoke courses, everything is done for you. Everything is done with you in mind to make your training and your life and your practice so much easier. At the back you can see our beautiful books that we've designed just for you, and you'll be able to take those home. And when you're practicing, you can open the book up and find exactly what you need. So there is never a room for you to question anything or for you to worry. Here you can have a look at the books that you'll be getting for your classic training course. As you can see, there is plenty of information. There is everything that you need to know to take away with you. There's maps, there is photographs, everything is in here. And you will also get a lovely starter pack, which has many things there for you to just take home and start. You don't have to worry about getting too many things. You can just take this bag and take it home or take it to a salon and start right where you're standing.